What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Zell back on another video, man. As y'all can see, you know what I'm saying, I don't even got to say too much. We're doing another POV, man. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hold on. Pull up. I don't know what's back here, but we about to figure it out today. Alright, hold on, Audi. I don't know why you behind me like that. Tweaking up. Hold the window down a little bit. So I'm gonna end up buying some brand news from American Muscle. They all black, gloss black. So stay tuned for those. Oh wow, the pops is crazy. The bump's crazy on the road too. And this GoPro been tweaking out. I got a GoPro Hero 7 and every time I record with it, it's always freezing up after like 6 minutes. So if y'all know what could be the problem, whether it's the SD card or whether I just need a whole new camera, let me know, man. Drop it in the comment section below. I don't even know where I'm going. I could be going to the middle of nowhere right now. Turn it around because I've been on this road before, and this when I was trying to go to I was driving to Charlotte, so that's definitely where this road is going to take me to. Let me make sure we still recording though. Yeah, I don't like this camera angle. Hold on, bring y'all down a little bit. No Diddy. Hold on. See me doing this. Alright, but when I get out of here before they try to harvest my body parts or something in here. I'ma stop by there and pick y'all back up, cause my GoPro can't go in the store. It ain't even on. I don't have a battery plugged in. They got a couple cars back there. Alright, we about to go in here right quick. Pick y'all back up, man. Alright, man, hold on. Let me make sure the recording going. Let me look at it. Put the brightness up. Alright, we're good. Alright, just got me something on toothpaste. So we're gonna get back to the POV, man. We're gonna get back to the POV. That's how you take off when you an attention seeker. You don't even take all that. That's how people pull off when they're attention seeker. So if you hear somebody double tapping their gas like that, you don't even need all that, gang. Me personally, I don't do that. I give it one tap and I'm out of there. Come on, man, y'all taking all day. I'd be wrong if I just, you know what I'm saying, skirt out. I'd be wrong if I just skirt out. Taking of fact, you know what? I'm gonna take y'all to the car wash with me, but I'm gonna have to cut the video up in segments because this is gonna be a long video if I drive all the way over there. But hey, ain't y'all in the way, gang. Filthy on the outside right now, man. It don't even feel like me at all. I always keep my car clean, but this video was more so an update video upon what I'm trying to do with my car. I really don't have much to say right now. I always got a lot to say, but not right now. So it's more so y'all just hearing me ramble just a little bit. It's just a little bit today. But look at these nice houses out here, man. It's some more towards down that way, but I'm gonna see if I can get it on camera. If y'all can see that, look at all these nice houses down there, man. I should have went down there and let y'all see. Matter of fact, that's what we're gonna do. We about to go look at these houses. We're gonna cruise in the neighborhood. We ain't gonna turn up though. We're just gonna cruise down there, and I'm gonna show y'all some nice looking houses, and then we gonna come out of here. Simple as that. You always gotta get some motivation from outside sources sometimes. You always gotta look and see what you can see so it can motivate you to do better and not sit in the same spot. And that's what we're gonna do. If you watching me, you're gonna be moving. We not, you know what I'm saying, sitting in the same spot. Elevating on this channel, man. We never stay in the same. Make sure we still recording. I gotta speak positive word. Oh, I didn't even know he was right there.
And I promise I am.